Hi guys, that's me, that's your boy Andrew, and we learn English here together. Remember, we learn English, and today I'm gonna be filming a vlog at this ice rink. Yeah, I'm finally at the ice rink in Moscow, and today we're gonna be practicing English, trying to describe everything what I see in here, like snow, an ice rink, skaters, and my friends and I, my friends is their way. We're gonna be just skating in circles and live this life, bro. We're so happy, yes sir. But before that, let's start with the time when we also were going to this ice rink and how we were renting our ice skates and etc. So let's go, bro. I hope you're gonna be enjoying this. In general, now we're getting closer to the ice rink and it looks so beautiful around here. And we already bought a ticket before, so now we just need to go to walk, maybe, I don't know, maybe 10 or 15 minutes. And it's so beautiful. Take a look at this, bro.
На выход нету, дебильные всякие.
Wow. Look, bro, that looks amazing. We got like a huge gate. This is a huge gate. And we got numbers like 2026. The next year. Many lights around. We got a wheel, observation wheel. Look at that huge thing. We got my friends right here, and like television tower. You see for connection, like for TV. Yeah. Like today, finally, we got just perfect weather. They finally built an ice rink, and we could just have fun. I've been waiting, bro. Honestly, I've been waiting for such a long time. You all know that. That it's evening, it's Friday evening, and we can finally take a walk and just enjoy this day. Look at this huge, like a bubble. It's like a decoration for Christmas tree, but the size is really huge. And clear sky, full of stars. Probably you can see the sky, but we ain't got no clouds. Look, that's really tall. It's tall. Wow, and we got some, I don't know, architecture styles, like design this statue of someone. Yo. We got Christmas tree that way. What else? Like coffee shops that way. Many small Christmas trees for taking the pictures. And what is that? I don't know, what does it even mean, bro? Like, this huge structure. My bro is taking a photo of someone else. And this huge, like, a tower kind of building. Yeah, let's go. I wanna actually skate, and I wanna be skating, yeah. I'm so excited, because in fact, I haven't been here in general at the ice rink maybe for 2 years. Yeah, the last time I was in the ice rink, it was actually my first year at uni. I was a freshman, bro. We got Russian flag. Flag is waving in the breeze. Huge columns. It's called a column. And there actually, in fact, we can see an ice rink. And you can see this snow. It's called like flakes of snow. It's snowing a little bit. Wow, that looks amazing. Here we can buy some food. It's Russian food. We also got Chinese food. I saw that. And the ice rink by the next mission. Yeah, we need to find the entrance. I don't think so. No, I don't think so. We need to find the entrance. I don't know, guys, if you ever seen a snow ever, because I know like many people from Brazil here, and you probably never seen a snow and even an ice rink maybe, guys. So it's gonna be so cool. Yeah, tell me if you've seen snow before. Wow, many people, they are skaters, and now we found the entrance, and now we're gonna be skaters. The skaters, right? Wow, that's awesome. Now we're gonna this kind of check-in So let's go. Yo, look at this. We're finally inside, and we got ice skates. It's like an ice skate, and these are my ice skates. My friend, he's going to change the size, like he took the wrong size. My size is 41. It's like Russian, maybe European, yeah, size. And right there we got a counter for renting our ice skates, like the counter. And here we got just an area for changing your clothes, for changing your shoes. You feel what I'm saying? And now I'm going to put on this case. Look at this, it's like a blades. The blades are really sharp, we can say that. And yeah, let's put it on. This place is really good. Like, we got lights in the window, like Christmas lights. We got, I don't know, what else? A bathroom maybe? We got a vending machine and coffee machine if you're hungry in case. Yeah, I guess we're gonna be hungry. I guess we're gonna be eating something, right? We got many kids in here. We got many kids, like a family. The whole family is just chilling here. And this is a perfect place, I don't know, for having fun on weekends, for going with your friends or with your girlfriend or with anyone you want in general, yeah? I need to put it on and tie my laces. This thing is called laces, like shoelace. I need to tie it really tight. He's trying to tie shoes. А? Yeah, sure.
Чё вы, блядь, я заебался чем-то.
I'm gonna help you. Yeah, we got people from Russia in here, like people from Moscow, from all over the Russia, right? How have you been doing, guys? You enjoy the snow in here? Yeah, we got other bloggers, like girls, filming something. Do you need the help?
Да, блядь, меня нога гуляет. Как по мотоциклу.
Right, hold on. Yo, bro, I'm tired of tying my shoes. That's so tight. Yeah, kinda out of breath. He's done. He's been waiting for me. Yeah, you happy to be here? Say, I'm happy. Say.
Okay, I'm happy.
Yeah.
Thank you, brother.
Okay, we are ready. Look at this. Now I need to. What are you laughing about? I need to hide it somewhere there.
Пошли отсюда, нахуй.
Let's go. Get out of here. Oh my god.
Let's go, пошли отсюда.
I'm kinda
Эндрю,
hubble. Huh? Let's go. Bro, that's kinda complicated to be walking with your ice skates on. You feel me? Wait, what is that?
по-моему, ничего не брать.
Заточка, первые шаги, штраф. That's so tough, bro.
Ты ешь как-то неуверенно.
That's so tough, bro. Look at this snow. Look at this music. Look at these people in here. And now my first step. I hope I'm not gonna fall. Look at this. He's gonna fall right now. No, he's good. Yes, sir. Wow. Look at this, bro. That's how I see this. I'm skating and I need to speed up a little bit in order to get to my friends. Wow, so many people. I don't want to hit someone. I'm sorry. I don't want to hit someone. Where's my friends at? Yo, we can buy food right here. We got music, we got lights, and in fact, it's the huge ice rink, just huge, bro. This is called a sideboard, by the way. It's a sideboard, and it's an ice. And this thing is an ice rink. And now I'm skating. Yeah. We got many buildings, like it's dedicated to different countries, different things. Here we got just area for chilling, sitting and taking the photos. You see this heart for taking the photos, like a photo zone. Have you ever guys tried like a skating? Wow. In fact, I haven't fallen yet, so I'm pretty steady. Okay. Oh my god. We got another way right there. It's like not like historical ice rink, it's different kind of ways, like a sidewalk but made from ice. I'm gonna find my friends actually, because I kinda got lost. Wow, we are back together with my friends, and now we're trying to speed up. Yeah, look at this bridge, like it's a Russian miracle, Russian fairy tale. Look at this bridge, like for people. Wow. Look, many people are also filming videos right there, like dancing for TikTok or things of that nature. We figured out that it was too hot for us to skating. Hold on. It was too hot for skating being and wearing these down jackets. So now we're gonna take it off and put it into this bag, our down jackets, and just be skating only wearing my hoodie. All right, now we've been skating for maybe an hour and we're kind of tired, so we decided to take a break and go get some food. Wow, I'm kind of tired to see red cheeks, yeah, and chin and forehead. Yeah, that's the entrance. We need to find a place to eat. Look, we finally found a special area for chilling and eating food. Okay, we can take a seat here, right next to the fire, like this. Wow, let's take a break a little bit. Oh my god. Ooh. We have a fireplace. Alright, now we got this kind of receiver of signal, so they're gonna just make a sound when our food is done. So we'll be waiting, and I ordered 2 hot dogs and 2 just tea with the like raspberry, something like that. In general, fantastic firework. Oh, it's ready. Let's go. Oh my god, it's difficult to get up. We got like a sausage inside and bread and 2 teas and another hot dog. So now we're gonna be just eating and enjoying. I feel like we somewhere in the forest, right? In the forest we got smoke. It's like burning. Awesome. A plastic cup of tea. Now we're tired, bro. Yo, now we're tired and we just tryna get some sleep in here, just chilling. So cold. Steam. It's a steam out of my mouth. Right now we are back and we are taking off our ice skates. Taking it off. I need to untie it. Look at this. Untie. The opposite process of tying something. Yeah. And putting on sneakers like Nike. There are almost no people anymore. Yeah. They're all gone. Obviously, it was really awesome. I'm kinda tired, but I'm happy, and from the bottom of my heart I want to claim that, bro, this evening was good and this English practice was awesome. So I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, I'm trying to take it off. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, bro. If you ever have a chance to visit Moscow, to visit ice rink anywhere, bro, just go and do it. Yeah, that's amazing. I hope you learned something new. I hope it was a good practice. See you though. See you. Love you all, guys. Love you. Thank you. Bye bye. Yeah, I got a candy bar. It's a candy bar, right? Look at this. It's called a candy bar. Candy
Okay.
bar.
Так.
Candy bar. All right. We're gonna leave this place. Let's go. Thank you.